Okay, so here I am on step number 2, and that is notifying students of the change if they do not use the app Agilix Buzz View. So here I am in the Your Teaching area on the standard login. I'm going to click on my first elective, which is Art 3. When I'm in Art 3, I can send a message who are currently enrolled in Art 3. In this case, I'm going to advise them to please go to Google Classroom for information about the upcoming art log that will replace the Nova classes. Okay, so this is the message that I ended up with. It says, please go to Google Classroom for additional information on the upcoming art activity log. This log will give you more options on how to complete your art class. This activity log will replace the Nova activities. If you have completed activities already in Nova this week, simply note it in your log. Your logs will be posted by tomorrow in Google Classroom. I'm going to make sure that I copy this, and I will include this language down at the bottom in the detail section of the video if you would like to just copy and paste this as well. Okay, I click send, and now the message is sent, and I'm going to go in and do that for my other assigned classes. Now, I am doing Art 3-4, PE 3-4, and I am also doing Music 3-4. So Ashley, when she does hers, she would not need to do Art 3 or else they will get 2 messages. Hopefully this makes sense.